Every day, you use Google to look for information and solutions. You look for amusement and conduct research to disprove your friend's claim. Did you realize, though, that you can use it to make a lot of money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to do nothing but Google searches. It may be used on your phone, laptop, or computer, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from the beach or from your bed. It's something you can do while waiting in line. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. It's possible to do it almost any place. You can do anything as long as you have internet access, and if you watch this video all the way to the finish, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start generating money right away. But first, welcome to my channel where I'll be showing you how to make money online the easy way. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any issues, questions, or thoughts about it, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Returning to the video now. As always, I'll walk you through each stage and encourage you to engage. So, after watching this video, you'll be ready to go out and make some serious cash. So pay attention and follow the steps, and remember that this is a really simple lesson. We'll only be using 2 websites, so keep that in mind. The first one is just going to be google.com, and I'll show you the second one in a minute, but first and foremost, I'd like to answer a question that a lot of you have about why I'm sharing these ways with you. Why don't you just keep them for yourself and make money? I'm doing this to assist you since I know how difficult it is for people to make money online. I also have my own company model that generates far more revenue. And when I say a lot more, I mean $70,000 in 13 months or something along those lines. So the first step is for you to simply open Google and leave it there. MindSumo.com will now be the primary website that we will use in conjunction with Google to make money online. However, you must continue to watch because if you simply go to MindSumo.com, you will be disappointed, trying to solve the problem on your own. You won't know what to do, but I'll show you how to use a simple Google check to get paid a lot of money with MindSumo. I'll show you how to combine the two in order to make money simply by searching Google, as well as explain how it works. And if you follow each step carefully, you will be able to earn money. As you can see, MindSumo.com has worked with some of the world's largest corporations, so he knows it's worthwhile. They've collaborated with companies such as Pepsi and Johnson & Johnson, as well as Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many others. Take a look at some of the world's most powerful corporations, and see how much money can be made. It's amazing how vast a simple search can get. Here's where you can make a lot of money. All you have to do is register at MindSumo.com. And you might be wondering how you go about doing it. So, you go to the login/sign up section and click here. Since you don't have an account yet, simply click on this one to sign up for free. Simply provide your first name, last name, country, and email address, then establish a unique password, and last, your birth date. After that, you must choose your gender and rate yourself in the following skill areas. As a result, you'll have to choose between feats of these skills, as well as marketing and technical skills. Now, this is completely optional, but regardless of your actual skills, I recommend selecting something like average proficiency or above average proficiency. However, this will increase your chances of making more money. As a result, I'd go with ordinary proficiency. You don't need to check these 3 boxes because they will automatically subscribe you to their email list. And it's clear that's not what you're looking for. Because you don't want any spam emails or anything, simply check these 2 boxes to accept their terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy, which you can read by visiting these 2 links. After that, simply click I'm not a robot and sign up, and you'll have an account created. Once you've logged into your account, scroll down a little to see all of the different challenges, questions, and projects that you may answer and get paid for. As you can see, they're willing to pay anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars. And on the left-hand side, you'll notice various categories from which you can choose, indicating that there will be no shortage of money to be made. Every day, there are new questions, new items, and new challenges posted on this website. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. Let me now show you a few products. If I open up this one, for example, you'll be able to see how much money people have made just by participating in this challenge. As you can see, this is their overall budget, and these are the project's outcomes. It can sometimes be a lot more than that. So bear with me while I demonstrate that simple Google method and how you will be paid to search on Google. Anyway, I'd like you to return to this page and choose a few of these categories. Let's take computer science as an example. Then simply like any of these projects and you will be entered into that project. They're going to ask you a question right here, as you can see. This is the fundamental question that we must answer in order to be eligible to win this sum of money. So, what is this Google ruse? So here's what you'll have to do. You'll need to copy this question, then go to Google and paste it in this box. As a result, we can look for an answer on Google. As a result, you can read all of these articles. Open this one, for example, and see if there's an answer to our inquiries. You'll notice that this is exactly what we're searching for. On this one, they're giving us examples, and it's a very professional response. They'll almost certainly win one of the top shares on this board. You see how simple it was. All I did was copy the query and then look for it on Google. And now I've got a response over here. The next thing I need to do is make some minor changes to the answer. To do so, I return to Google and search for Google Docs, then select blank from the drop-down menu. Return to the article after that. You can then copy and paste some of the answers into this box. Return to the original to duplicate a new one. So, if your answer is more profound, or if your answer is lengthier, the better for you and the higher the odds of you getting money. You can now edit this by changing the font, changing the colors, and possibly changing some of the words. Instead of this, I could simply select it and change the color to blue, as well as make that portion bold or something similar. As you can see, it's completely configurable and really simple to use. So simply Google the solution and edit it in Google Docs. After that, simply click File, go to Download, and save it as a PDF document. When you open that document, it will appear something like this, and as you can see, it is really professional. Once you've downloaded it to your PC, you'll just return here, and he'll submit the response, and you'll most likely get a cut of the money generated by this question. Keep in mind that you will not receive the entire prize pool. Instead, you will be required to share it with the other contestants. But, as you can see, it was quite simple. And I was able to get the answer in less than 5 minutes using Google. Now I have the opportunity to win hundreds of dollars for free. So all you have to do is look up the answer on Google. Find the answer, and once you've done that, all I have to do now is click on this. I have an idea, log into my account, input my email address, and submit the answer to SO. You can see how simple it is to make a lot of money online simply by searching on Google. Of course, there's no assurance that you'll always win the challenge and receive the prize this year. Searching in Google, on the other hand, takes only a few minutes. It's quite simple. And, as I previously stated, you can do it from anywhere, so why not? Make some extra money by doing it in your leisure time. That is all there is to it. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell before we leave. I'll see you in the next video if you hit the like button.